Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change password on MyFitnessPal account. To change your password on MyFitnessPal, open the MyFitnessPal application on your mobile device, and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Sharing and Privacy. Now, click on Change Password on the next page. Enter your new password in the first tab that you want to change to and re-enter the new password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Change Password at the bottom and there you have successfully updated or changed your password. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the updated password. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.